This is the VIGRUE Cordless Screwdriver Set. I've had this for a couple of months now, and I've got to say, I really love it. A couple of the features I really like about this screwdriver is it has a button up here, so you see it's in the straight orientation right now. If I click this button and I spin the handle, boom, now it's in a normal screwdriver setup. It has a light underneath the actual drilling head there. It has a power selector up here, and then it also has a light on the bottom if you need to use it like that. Now, this screwdriver is great, and it does recharge, so the recharging port is right there on it, and then it also has a battery indicator. Let's see if I can get that right there for you. So, battery indicator. Now, let's look at the set that comes with it. So, got a couple of things here. Let me see if I can show you the top there. So the top has a couple of drill bits here and then some screwdriver bits right there. And here's the pamphlet that comes with it. It has this straight slot that bends here, so if you need to get it in hard to reach places, you can actually bend this guy, and down here where my finger is, it is spinning when I'm spinning it at the top there. And then it also comes with a bunch of bolt heads here, and then more bits, and then of course the charging cable. So if you're in the market for a cordless screwdriver that you need just around the house for some small projects, this thing is awesome. I absolutely love it. I use it constantly. So again, if you're looking for something like this, this is a winner. So I highly suggest it to you.